Hello everyone, this is your boy Pep. I'm back with another weekly ASR EurUsd video, and let's dive into it. Okay, before I talk about what I expect to happen in the coming week, let me briefly comment on what happened and what unfolded last week on EurUsd, because I believe there was a market structure shift that took place on daily time frame on EurUsd, and that has made me adjust my daily buys on EurUsd, and that has changed my um, analysis and buys for coming week. So let me just briefly comment about that. So my buys on daily on EurUsd was pretty bullish till last week, and it stayed bullish until Wednesday and early Thursday as well. But from Thursday and Friday's price action, I believe I had to rethink about my daily buys. I had to adjust it according to the price action that has unfolded in last 2 days of the last week. So if you guys have been following me, you guys should know that I was looking at this area and I was commenting about this area for about 3 to 4 weeks, and I was telling you that the price has to come down, hit this area at least one time, and then from there onwards the price would go up. And this is exactly what happened. The price came down on Wednesday. I got a beautiful trade on CPI on this candle. I posted about that trade and did a recap on my channel as well if you guys want to check that out. But from Thursday, the price completely reversed, and Friday we saw another bearish day and a down close candle and below this level. I've been mentioning that this is a level that if it the daily close we get a daily close below this level, I probably would have to rethink and adjust my daily buys on EurUsd, and this is exactly what happened. So let's dig into it, and let's start from the weekly time frame this time. Okay, as you can see on this weekly chart of EurUsd, there's a volume imbalance that is the eventual target that we have. We can see the price came down from 2021 November March to be honest, and then it was followed by a bullish trend, and I still believe that we are in a bullish trend and the price will eventually go up and surpass this volume imbalance in bullish direction, but how much time and how much days it would take, I am not sure about that. And we cannot as a day trader, as a session trader, we cannot I cannot sit on my hands and wait for price to get bullish. I just have to take advantage of any opportunities that present themselves meanwhile. Yeah, so in last candle, in last week's weekly analysis, I told you that this is a weekly range that we are in right now, and I would say that we are still in that range, and still till that range is broken and closed above or below, we do not have any clear indication like what the price wants to do. But if we look closer, then this is a candle. There is a candle, a weekly candle, a strong weekly bullish candle, and if you can just delineate that candle's high and then low of that candle, you'll probably able to see something that I just noticed, and that is every candle uh, after this bullish candle stayed and closed in this range, in the range of this candle, and this candle was never disrespected bullishly. So and eventually in last week this candle was disrespected bearishly. That means the price, the intention for now for price is bearish. So and this candle, to be honest, for 1 2 and 3 weeks worked as a resistance as well. And the last week we just took the high of that candle and just start moving downwards towards this objective, which appears very evident and near objective for now. So this indication, this tells us that the price is in a bearish mode right now, and will probably go down and take this take this objective for now. Where whether it would go down as far as to take these lows as well, I am not sure. At the moment, I'm just focused on this low at the minute, and I want this to be taken out. Um, and that means that my weekly bias for now is bearish. Okay, so let's move into the daily chart and see what we expect from there. Okay, so let me remove these lines. Okay, and I'm going to remove these delineation as well that has been on my chart for about 4 weeks now. So these levels are not of any interest for me now. This is something that has been taken out and closed below. I can expect price to come up probably, and this could act as a bearish breaker, and then price can go down from there. This is exactly obviously one possibility that is at the back of my mind, but looking at it, for now, it appears that the price has taken out this daily low, and once this daily low has been taken out, that we have seen some rejection on the Friday, and I suspect that this rejection is not still deep enough, and it probably we would see a bullish Monday or maybe a Tuesday, and then from Wednesday onwards, we would see price to go in various direction. And would this low be taken out in coming week or not? I'm not sure, but I can definitely see Wednesday and Thursday to be very bearish. If Monday and Tuesday don't get bearish that much. So this is what I'm thinking. Looking at the daily buys, I can also see that there was a very large fair value gap that was created last week. So this is once again an indication that of bearish movement. Then we also saw that this bearish fair value gap was respected very much by Wednesday's candle. So, and after that, we can see another leg lower. So, this is also telling us the same thing that I suspected from weekly weekly chart, that the direction for the short-term direction for now for the time being appears bearish on daily chart as well. And now, uh, how exactly the price will unfold? Um, let us consider and talk about possibilities by diving into 4 hour chart. So on 4 hour chart, yeah, on 4 hour chart, we can see that there's a breaker that I talked about in the daily chart, and we also have a fair value gap as well. So this is a breaker, and that could act as a resistance on Monday or either Tuesday, and then price can go down as well. There are equal highs here on 4 hour chart that could definitely work as liquidity for the price, as and worked as a once they are taken out, can act as a trigger, and then price would start going downwards towards bearish direction. Um, there's also this fair value gap um, that is that is that is just lining perfectly with this breaker. So we can even go and tap the lower lower portion of that fair value gap, and then just start to go downwards. So the one possibility is just these low highs are taken out and the price would go down. So we have three swings: these highs, um, middle point of the breaker that could act as or breaker in itself, and then fair value gap. So this could turn out to be something very strong, and we'll see on Monday or either Tuesday what will happen. Okay, so this is the economic calendar for coming week, and we can see that Monday we don't have anything coming on Monday. Although there's a news um, on euro on Sunday, but we can't do anything on Sunday anyways. They might be the price in euro USD might be opening up with a gap on Monday, just like a couple of weeks ago. That is totally a possibility. But looking at the Sunday red folder news, so Monday would be like a sideways, I believe. Tuesday is not going to be a lot of movement on euro as well, but Wednesday and Thursday are, I believe, are going to be, and we can also have a very heavy Friday as well with respect to price action. So um, this is exactly what I suspected on a 4 hour chart, and I talked about it. And let's go once again back to that chart. So Monday, Tuesday, sideways, maybe go up even, or and from Wednesday, Thursday, maybe we'll take Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday and go down. Yeah. Okay, so this is all from my side for now. And to be honest, if you ask me with the gun to my head, I probably would be looking to buy this from this order block if it allows me to, and I would just try to get long from here for from Monday or even Tuesday, and I would eventually target this with the target of this order block. So first trade, if it allows me, and on Monday or either I'm late on Tuesday, I'll just go long from here towards that, and from if when we hit that. And we see some reaction from this outer block breaker, fair value gap, and these equal highs. I probably will start looking to um, find some sell opportunities, bearish opportunities on Wednesday or Thursday of the coming week. So this is all from my side. I hope I see you guys next week. Trade safe, and bye bye.